Clapperboard title. What's really out there? The dark truth about space. Bullseye hook, midnight to 020. Space isn't silent. It isn't peaceful. And it definitely isn't empty. What's actually out there could destroy Earth in seconds, and we'd never see it coming. Cut to quick flashes of galaxies, black holes, and solar flares. Rocket full script, 8 to 10 minutes. 1. The illusion of empty space. When most people think of space, they imagine emptiness. But space is violent, radioactive, freezing, and explosive. Even the empty regions between stars contain high-energy radiation, rogue planets, and debris moving at tens of thousands of miles per hour. Our planet survives because of a thin magnetic shield and atmosphere. Without it, we'd be done. 2. Our neighborhood, the solar system. We live in the Earth, orbiting the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. The Sun looks calm. It's not. It constantly releases solar radiation. A powerful solar flare aimed directly at Earth could knock out satellites, power grids, and communications worldwide. We've already had close calls, like the 1859 Carrington event. If something that strong hit today, modern civilization would struggle. And beyond Earth. Mars is freezing and toxic. Venus is hot enough to melt lead. The outer planets are gas giants with crushing pressures and violent storms. This solar system is not built for us. We're the exception, not the rule. 3. Black holes, the cosmic predators. At the center of most galaxies lies a black hole, including ours. In the heart of the Milky Way sits Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of the Sun. Black holes don't suck everything in like vacuum cleaners, but cross the event horizon, and there's no coming back. Not even light escapes. If one wandered too close to our solar system, planetary orbits would destabilize. We'd either freeze in deep space or spiral into the Sun. 4. The scale problem. Here's what most people fail to grasp. Scale. It takes light 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth. Light, the fastest thing in the universe. Now consider this. The nearest star beyond our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That means if it exploded right now, we wouldn't know for 4 years. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. Your brain isn't wired to comprehend that. Nobody's is. We are microscopic in both size and importance on a cosmic scale. 5. The threats we don't control. Space isn't just big. It's unpredictable. Gamma-ray bursts could sterilize a planet. Rogue planets drift without stars. Asteroids cross Earth's orbit constantly. Remember the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs? That was about 6 miles wide. There are larger objects out there. We monitor many of them. Not all of them. 6. The search for life. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, statistically, life should be everywhere. So where is it? This is the Fermi paradox. Possibilities. Intelligent life is rare. Civilizations self-destruct. We're early. Or we're being ignored. The James Webb Space Telescope is already analyzing exoplanet atmospheres for signs of life. So far, nothing confirmed. Silence. And silence in a universe this large is unsettling. 7. The hard truth. Space does not care about us. There is no protection plan. No cosmic safety net. Our survival depends on science, technology, planetary defense, and long-term thinking. If we stay confined to one planet forever, extinction is statistically inevitable. That's not pessimism. That's probability. Clapperboard outro, call to action. Space is beautiful. But it's brutal. And whether humanity survives may depend on how seriously we take what's out there. If you want more deep dives into space, science, and the universe, subscribe. Because the more we understand space, the better our chances of surviving it. Key keywords: SEO optimized. Space documentary. Dark side of space. Black holes explained. Solar flare danger. Milky Way black hole. Sagittarius A explained. Fermi paradox. Is there life in space? James Webb Telescope discoveries. Universe size comparison. Asteroid extinction. Gamma ray burst. #sign keycap hashtags. #space. #universe. #astronomy. #black holes. #Milky Way. #NASA. #James Webb. #cosmos. #science. #Fermi paradox.